Hi traders, in today's video I am going to talk about one of the best kept secrets in the algorithmic trading industry. So let's listen carefully. Also, I wanted to tell you that it is actually possible to catch some fishes if you go upside to the mountains. So one of the best kept secrets in this industry are the factors that you can actually use in your code when you are coding a strategy to test it, or you are coding a robot. You can actually use in MQL5 a custom equation to help to select the best parameter in your optimization. It is one thing that I've never seen anyone talking about, basically. And it is the most important part of optimizing an EA, because you have optimization with balance, with like profit factor, minimum drawdown and stuff, but it is just one factor. And if you want to optimize your EA and not curve fit it, so not just get a perfect chart, a perfect graph, but after that in the non-optimized period your EA will look like, then you want to select even your factors that you are optimizing your EA on. You want to select them carefully, because after that, yeah, it is a whole lot of work to select the best parameter set in your optimization to not curve fit your EA. But you can actually write an equation, because in MQL5, when you select your preferred factors, you have a custom one, and you can use profit factor, drawdown, recovery factor, consecutive wins, consecutive losses in trades and in numbers, and you can actually combine them. But you can combine them in a way, you will see if you are a coder, if you test your EAs, you will see that if you try to optimize your EA on 2 year and then run it on one different year or half different year, you will see it matters what kind of factors you are optimizing your EA on. Because, for example, if you like fully optimize your EA based on balance, then you run it on a different sample, a different data set, it will go down. But if you select a smart combination of factors and you fully optimize your EA that way, that will be amazing, your results that you will see. And if you are interested in this small snippet of code, I can post it like in the description of the video, or in comments of the video, or to the community tab. Just let me know in the comments, because I can post it as a smaller snippet of code. But it helps so much, and you will see it when you try it out. Because after the last video, so many traders brought me like, man, I tried this hair is crazy. Man, I tried out my new EA, my strategy that I coded. I tried it out that you said, the TheNomadTrader, I said it, and they tried it out. Like, I optimized it on one period, then tested it on another period, and it didn't work. My EA is bullshit, because I optimized it, it was perfect, then I tested it out of, sample data, like, and it was shit. How it is happening? This is why I am not profitable with my EA. Exactly. So this is the reason I'm making this video, because so many traders wrote to me about this. They tried it out and they told me like, yeah man, it is the truth. We have to figure it out, how to optimize the EA so it will work live. And this is another part, to customize your factors that you're optimizing your EA on, because it will help you a whole lot. And now I am going to go to the place where I can fish, and it is raining, it is hot, but you know, ciao. And let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next video.